In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft OneDrive sync problems easily. First, restart sync. Right-click the OneDrive icon, select exit, restart your PC to reestablish a sync. Next, files over 10 gig won't upload. Right-click, send, and compress folder. Third, update Windows. Go to Control Panel, Windows Update, and install the latest updates. Fourth, go to Settings, Accounts, Email App Accounts, Add Account to reconnect OneDrive. Then, choose folders to sync. Right-click OneDrive icon, Settings, Account, choose folders, then select folders. Sixth, disable Office Upload. In OneDrive settings, uncheck Use Office to sync Office files under the Office tab. Then, shorten file paths. Ensure file paths are under 255 characters by renaming folders. Then, unlink and reconnect OneDrive. Go to OneDrive settings, account, unlink this PC, then relink and reselect folders. Then, free up storage. Log into OneDrive and check storage. Delete files if needed. Also, clean local disk space via disk cleanup. And lastly, reset OneDrive. Press Windows plus R and then type this. Enter to reset OneDrive manually. And that's it. That's how you fix Microsoft OneDrive sync problems.